Welcome to another episode of McBride Homestead. Ben often gets questions about his sawmill. This one is called the Little Blue. We've had it on our property for a bit over a year. When we first got it, Ben did a lot of looking into different sawmills, and this one came highly recommended. It has been working really well so far. We are using these logs for things within our new home, so like the flooring, the walls, cabinets, doors. We're doing a lot of finishing with these boards, so Ben is spending a lot of his time sawmilling. If you are curious about sawmilling or how it works on our property, we do actually have a previous video about it, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.